Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and I cannot get enough of these awesome PJ shorts. These are from Cinvik, and this variety pack of 3 shorts keeps me going in the warm weather and nice and cozy and comfy when I'm in bed. I really am in love with the beautiful 100% cotton of these PJ shorts. The colorful patterns on them are a bonus, but even if they were white, honestly, I would still love wearing them. Each of the shorts has a really comfortable elastic waist, and I ended up opting for the medium size. Normally I'm a small medium. I would say the medium is really comfy for me for sleeping, and I love that these do not slip around while I'm sleeping, and they're great for lounging as well. If you wake up in the morning and you want to keep wearing them, having a lazy morning, you'll be so comfortable in them. They hit right about mid-length for me, so a little bit higher. They're really a great design that will help you to feel really comfortable in warm weather because of that beautiful 100% cotton. Even when you're washing these and I line dry all of my clothes, they maintain the color, so it's nice and bright when you're ready to wear them for the next time. Sleep in style, in beautiful colors, and in beautiful comfort with these awesome PJ shorts. But that's just my point of view.